Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about structural formulas. Structural formulas are a great way to understand how each atom in a molecule is bound to one another. The example we'll be looking at first is this molecule. So when looking at the structural formula, you want to read it left to right to understand how each atom is bound to one another. First, you see a carbon with 3 hydrogens afterwards, meaning that that carbon has 3 hydrogens bound to it. Next, when there's an identical substituent that's repeating in a molecule, you'll find it in parentheses with a subscripted number showing the number of times that that substituent is seen in the molecule. So first, you'll add 3 CH2 groups. And then you'll move on to the next part of the molecule. Here you see that carbon is bonded to a hydrogen, and then you see another parentheses with the subscript of 2, meaning that this substituent is repeated twice on this carbon. So carbon will have a CH3 group bound to it in 2 places. So here's the Lewis structure for that structural formula. The next molecule we'll be considering is as shown. So we see that carbon has 2 CH3 CH2 substituents bound to it. So we'll start by writing that. And we also see that carbon is bonded to an oxygen. So this carbon bonds to an oxygen, and then to get an octet on this carbon, we'll make it a double bond with oxygen. So here is the Lewis structure for this structural formula. Lastly, here are some problems you can do. Take these structural formulas and try and turn them into the corresponding Lewis structures. You can turn them into class when you're finished. Best of luck.